Hello and welcome to this presentation of Acu-AnMo's online training. I am Dr. Jan Polak. I will explain to you what Acu-AnMo's online training consists of, and most importantly, what it will bring you. You would like to learn acupuncture to be more effective, but you don't want to use needles. You also don't want to waste years on complex training. And you want a simple, logical, individualized and effective acupuncture rather than relying on disappointing recipes. That's why we offer you this online training from Acu-AnMo. In fact, you don't need to have any prior knowledge of Chinese medicine to start this training. What you will gain with Acu-AnMo is a much more effective, varied and satisfying practice, with much quicker and lasting results for acute or chronic musculoskeletal pain. And you can do this without having to spend several years in training. From the second video onward, you'll start being able to heal your patients, and gradually, in 6 months, you'll have integrated everything necessary for consistent and often spectacular results. So first of all, why do we use a stylus? On one hand, practical results show that it's much more effective than needles. And since we immediately repeat the stimulation of the effective point, it wouldn't be very pleasant for the patient to repeatedly poke the same spot. The often forgotten basic principle of acupuncture is that there are several types of possible energy disturbances, about half a dozen, plus their frequent combinations. In Acu-AnMo, each disturbance and each location will correspond to a specific treatment point. In present-day China and in schools that draw inspiration from it, it's somewhat regrettable that even fundamental concepts, such as barriers, which are the primary cause of joint pain, are often overlooked. The meaning of the term acupuncture corresponding to Quan is unknown, even though this word appears in the names of many points, which actually gives an indication of their actions. This is where the other big difference lies. Not only in Acu-AnMo can we understand which energy disturbance is causing the pain, different causes for different people, but we also know the specific energetic action of each point we use. This allows us to stimulate only one point at a time, check its effectiveness immediately, and repeat it during the session as long as it improves the patient, ideally until they are healed. In short, we offer you in the Acu-AnMo online training what you won't find anywhere else.